Okay, garbage. There's a dump at Pahoa. There's one close to Kea'au. They're free. So I don't use garbage bags. I don't have the liner in there right now, but there is a black insert that goes in there that I just take that and dump it at the dump. This is the USB charging station that has all the chargers for the different lights, the shower, a phone charger, those things. Freezer. I've just got a lot of random things in here just to keep them good, and also to keep up space so that it stays cold. I'm gonna put a couple of water jugs in here too that you could use for washing and just to keep it cold. Same goes in here. There's a lot of stuff in here that doesn't need to be in here. You're welcome to take it out. Do recommend you keep spices in here because they gather moisture really badly. There's a couple of fresh, brand new bottles of drinking water. If you are somebody else that comes here, please refill them. Either at Kea'au Naturals in Pahoa, they have a alkalizing water purifier. You don't want to drink regular water here. Yeah, there's stuff like my bowls. I just don't want them to get ruined. So there's that. Yeah, that's fridge stuff. We're gonna do another video for the rest.